Hi everyone, I hope you all are doing really very well and I am pretty much good too. So today in this video we will be discussing about the plan, the strategy and what we are going to do in the next 30 to 32 days. And we have only 30 days, we have 1 month left and we have to talk about the strategy, the plan, the teachers I am following and my timetable. You can adjust all of these things according to your preference, according to your convenience. So yeah, here I have written all the things that we want and here it is basically the plan, we can say. So we have three subjects: biology, physics and chemistry. So for three subjects we will be following only three teachers as per the subject. So for bio I will be following Seep ma'am, Seep Pahuja, and for physics Pratik Jain sir, for chemistry Andy sir, Nitish Devlani sir. All these three teachers are from Unacademy and their way of teaching is really very good. You can watch their lectures and if you find them good, so you can choose them. Otherwise, any teacher you like, you can follow them. And yeah, this is it for the teacher we are following and whatever we are going to do. So yeah, this will be the plan. And for syllabus, I will say that we will complete the syllabus in 20 days. So with the revision, so we will be completing that in 20 days. For bio, chemistry and physics, for all three subjects we will be watching one shot lectures for easy chapters, and the chapters which are little tricky and which you find a little difficult, you can watch the detailed lecture also, because you still have the time. So you can watch detailed lectures, but just for the chapters which you find tricky and which are little difficult for you. So yeah, we will be doing the syllabus in this way. So nextly I will say the timetable I follow. So basically I am a night owl, so मैं दिन में नहीं पढ़ती हूँ, मैं रात में पढ़ती हूँ. And so my sleep time is from 6 a.m. to 1 p.m. These are approximately 7 to 8 hours, which are more than enough for having a good sleep, and it is good for health too. So I wake up on 1 p.m. So I have basically 5 slots for study. So the first slot is from 2 p.m. to 5 p.m. It is the slot 1. I will be covering the bio or the chemistry in this slot. Like, this is not fixed for every day. I changes the subject according to my preference. So you can do that too. So next we have the second slot, that is from 6 to 8. Then third one is from 10 to 12. And next one is from 1 a.m. to 3 a.m. Here I will be doing the revisions, the question practice, and because I am very much active at this time. The next slot is from 4 a.m. to 5 a.m. This is a 1 hour slot. In this I will be revising the things I have learned throughout the day, and that is it. From 5 a.m. to 6 a.m. I watch my social media, whatever I want to do, for relaxing and for winding down. So yeah, this is the timetable, and we have discussed about all the things. We have discussed about teacher, syllabus, plan, strategies, and the timetable I follow. So yeah, but the main thing is you have to be very consistent. You have to show up on each and every day for yourself, and discipline and hard work is a must for all of us. अगर हम हार्ड वर्क या फिर कंसिस्टेंसी नहीं रखते हैं, then nothing of this is going to work out for you. You need motivation on each day. You don't have to be motivated on every day. There will be days when you feel like doing nothing, but you have to do. Like, you can see, you can observe that I have not a good camera quality. I have no mic. I'm using these headphones for the sound quality, and yeah, like, I have not the suitable conditions for ideal video making, but I am doing this because I have the confidence, I have the ability to do this. So these things are secondary things. The main thing is that I am shooting, I am recording this video. This is the primary thing I feel. So the secondary things, they will improve with the time. Depends on whatever the thing you do, you have to start. बाकी चीज़ें टाइम के साथ सब कुछ हो जाता है सही. So yeah, please show up yourself on each day for next upcoming days. And yeah, have any doubts, if you have any thoughts in your mind, you can comment it down. And yeah, thank you so much for watching.